Video is going to be a breakdown of a trade I took on, I believe this was Thursday. Yep, Thursday the 28th of August. A nice win, and we had some pyramid entries, so let's break it down. Alright, so we have our buy limit set here. Let's watch this trade play out and break it down right after. So we closed above this bearish fair value gap. Now it's an inversion. We are actually seeing resistance on this buy side, or this SIBI actually. So we get entered in long on our limit. Price immediately starts to move higher. I'm adding here that if we close above that bearish fair value gap, I'll add more contracts. And we tap into that breaker again. That would have been a great entry if you didn't enter on the fair value gap. So we move our stop below because I didn't want to see it go any lower after it reached that breaker. So now we're inside of a bullish fair value gap, bullish inversion fair value gap, and now we're trading above this fair value gap here to create another inversion. So we enter more contracts, pyramiding into our position. Price is fluctuating around the top end of that first presented fair value gap. I trail my stop into profit here, trading inside of a bullish fair value gap. Traded my stop a little too tight right here. I would like it to be under that last swing low that I had it on. And as you can see, price starts to trade into this fair value gap, and it actually wicks me out there. Let's break it down and show you what I was looking at. All right, so now we're on the 5-minute chart here. We have our midnight opening price here, our 8:30 opening price here. We have a sell side here, buy side up here. That's what we do before 9:30 open. Let's switch over to the 1 minute and go see the 9:30 open. See what happened. All right, so 9:30 opens right here, dips down just barely below, rockets up, starts to look weak here, starts to trade into this first presented fair value gap, offering no signs of displacement higher, closes below it. This is where we start to look for longs, when we start to see manipulation lower. We take out this low, take out all of these lows, this low, tap 8:30, tap this liquidity that we had marked on the 5-minute chart, and we tap the midnight, not closing below it, tap the midnight price, not closing below it, create SMT with ES. As you can see, this low not taken out on NQ, this low is taken out right here on ES. So that's SMT. That's another confirmation that we're looking for longs here, that a reversal is probably coming. So as that happens, and this is right around 10 comes out right here, trades lower, taps into this order block down here, this large candle. We close above it, close above this breaker. That's very strong, but there's no displacement, so I did not enter there. That would have been a better entry. We displace higher in this fair value gap. That's where we enter. Our stop is below mean threshold of this breaker and this order block here. Price slowly trades down. 10:30, start to trade away. More fair value gaps. Could have pyramided here. Stop could have been below here. Start to trade up. More fair value gaps. More fair value gaps. Pyramid in any of these, trailing our stops below the swing lows. And once we got, I believe it was up here, I trailed my stop below this candle, which was like this fair value gap. I put it right here, stopped out before the run to the target. Better stop would have been here or here, but you live and you learn. Next week we'll try to be better. Thanks for watching this trade, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.